So let's go hot. Pony, your thing is so loud I can hear you.
Put it on silent.
You want to come in here?
Just wanted to come by. Your voice was so vibrant.
Sorry, I was excited. What's up, my Shookies? Ashley here, and in today's video I have something a little bit different, and that is going to be a review and a try-on haul of my new glasses. I have been in the market for some new glasses for some time, and I have tried some other companies that ship to your house and you try them on and you send them back, but I just wasn't able to find the right fit for me until I found this company. So if you are interested in seeing my new glasses, then just keep watching. Alright, you guys, I am so excited about this video because I don't know if any of you know, I don't have the best eyes. They're definitely not the worst. I've tried to get LASIK surgery and unfortunately I'm not a candidate. But I definitely have to wear contact lenses or regular glasses. And I like contacts, but 50% of the time I do wear my glasses just because of my job, because of the fact that my eyes get irritated and I'm not very good about taking them out every night. So with that being said, I have had the same pair of glasses for some time, which I like, but you know, as you know, if you wear them often, they get stretched out, you get sick of them, you get sick of the color or the shape, whatever. And my friend told me about this company that you can order a few pairs of glasses, get them shipped to your house, try them on. I tried it, but unfortunately I wasn't able to find a pair that I liked. I wasn't able to find a pair that fit my face. I wasn't able to find anything that I felt was suitable for me. So I just kind of put it on the back burner and went on with my life. And then I came across the company Optical, and I was so surprised at the vast array of glasses that they have available for you to choose from. Not only do they have an amazing selection of frames, but beautiful, unique colors. And the most amazing thing that I've never seen any other company do is the fact that you can go on and choose, which I didn't even know this is possible. You can choose the width of your glasses. I picked up the pair that I had. I look inside and there's like a code, like, you know, your bra, waist, and hip size. Same thing, but for glasses. And I was able to find out that that was medium, I guess, width in glasses. So every pair of glasses that I searched for, I made sure that I was only looking for ones that were in the medium category. They had narrow, medium, and wide. So that way you know you're getting the perfect pair of glasses, because there's nothing worse than picking a pair of glasses and they're out here because they don't fit your head. So I thought that that was something really unique and amazing that I loved about the company. I also love the fact that for every pair sold, they donate a pair of glasses to someone in need, sort of like the Tom shoe brand does. So I thought that that was nice that they obviously give back. The lenses are manufactured in the US, and they do put the prescription in the lens and ship them out to you in less than a week. I literally got mine, I think, in 4 days. So super, super quick shipping. So excited because they're also extremely, extremely affordable. The pair that I have now, I'm not even going to say how much I paid for them. I could literally get these three pairs of glasses for what I paid for that one pair. So now I am going to show you the 3 pairs that I chose. One of them is just regular sunglasses that you can put your prescription in, and the other 2 are the clear lenses that you can put your prescription in as well. Also, if you decide to go on the website and you want to purchase a pair, you can use the code Ashley, KEI, for $10 off your pair. The first pair I'm going to try on are the sunglasses, and can we also talk about how cute this freaking case is? It's magnetic closure, it's very nice and sleek. It comes with the little cleaning cloth, which I love, because that way you don't lose it. You just stick it in the case and you're good to go. And so you can store it. How freaking cute is that? I love that. What they don't think of. Okay, so back to the glasses. These are the first pair. How freaking cute are these? I love, of course, black and white, my neutral colors, and they have a nice tint to them. They also carry this black and white theme right here on the band in the back, and then it's just a silver side. And just for reference, in case you think you have the same size head as me, which I thought it was big, but I guess it's medium. 51, 21, 140. Okay, so let's go ahead and try these bad boys on. Oh my gosh, seriously. How cute are They just have a little flick at the top. I love that the lens is super, super dark. They're very comfortable and they fit my head. They're like the perfect little shape. I just have a little bit of the brow peeking through. I love that you can wear them a little bit lower if you wanted to. You can push them all the way up. And the best part is your prescription is inside of them. So if I'm feeling lazy and I don't want to put my contacts in, I just throw these pups on and I'm good to go. Also, these, in case you want to go on the website and look, which I will attach that down below in the description bar, these are the Harkin sunglasses in the color Pebble Beach. So Harkin is the name and then Pebble Beach is the color. So let's go ahead and move on to the second pair, which are Weigert in the color Sweet Bluette. They are a very tortoise looking pair with just a hint of blue, and the blue is a very nice vibrant blue, but it's just a little speckle of it. And I love these because they have that classic look of tortoise with just a little bit of a modern twist. I love the fact that these just happen to match my sweater. These are so cute. The shape is giving me cute little Harry Potter vibes, which I love. They're a nice flat top with a rounded lens, because sometimes when I find rounded lenses, they have a little bit of a not straight shape at the top, which I don't like on my facial shape. So for these to have a nice flat top and then the roundedness, not too much of a cat eye on the side, that's my jam right there. And they're not too high up either on the eye to where your eyebrow is completely covered, like a nice oversized sunglass. You know, those are fine for that. But for these, I want to be able to see a little bit of my brow. Love these. And again, they come in multiple colors. I'm going to check what other colors this comes in because I'm really liking me some Weigert. Okay, so this comes in like a regular white and brown tortoise, so a little bit more of the white color instead of the blue. And then there's just a straight tortoise, like the classic tortoise with a yellow and brown. So you have those three options for this glass right here. Can you see how it's just kind of like the brown with the vanilla color? Also, these are $87 with the prescription and free shipping. Then you can use my $10 off, that's $77. You cannot beat that for a pair of glasses with prescription. Also, the size on these, 50, 19, 145. Let's see if the third pair can trump these. That's going to be a hard job to fill. These are the Grimm in the color Fanfare. These are a little bit bigger, and these are in like a smoky gray color. Oh my heavens. These are so cute. So these are very similar to Weigert, except I would say they're a little bit taller. They come down on the cheek a little bit further. The color is, I mean, these are going to match everything you have. So if you're the type of person that only wants one pair and you want it to match everything in your closet, this is your color. Let's see what other color combos they come in. So the Grimm also comes in the classic tortoise, the brown and the gold. Brown and light brown mixed together. They also come in the same color combo as Weigert. Whoa. Party foul. I'm so excited. I'm dropping things. So if you love this color combination in the Weigert, this comes in that color combo. So you have a lot to choose from. Oh, excuse me. News to me. These also come in sunglasses. So lots of options and tons of versatility there. Everyone needs to hop on the bandwagon. I mean, the fact that you can get a pair for $77 with your prescription in them in less than a week. Times have changed, my friends. Times have changed. All right, you guys, that completes this review and try-on of my new glasses. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, I will leave everything in the description box down below. Don't forget to use the code AshleyK for $10 off. Don't forget to like this video and hit that post notification bell as well so you can be notified every time I upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.